Do you guys ever own such a doorbell? They're horrible. Basically, they're like something like 30 euros. And you don't need any wires, only batteries, lots and lots and lots of batteries, because they use batteries like crazy, these little things, and they're very unreliable. I think I've have more people knocking on my door than actually, successfully using this bell. So I decided to fix this problem and make something, which could be considered a bit more useful. I ripped out the inside, and only the stuff that I really needed, or the board that I really needed, was that would receive the radio signal of this thing, and would light up this LED, this LED. I thought it would be cool to make a small Arduino project based on that. So what I did is I basically used what normally switches the LED on the doorbell. I use that as a trigger for one of your Arduino pins, and little code on the Arduino that reads out the pin and writes a little 0 or a 1 to the serial console, or the serial port. Little script on my Mac that reads out the serial port and sends out a pushover notification if someone rings my doorbell. So, small demonstration, there we go. So, the LED lights up, and we should be getting a push notification on my iPhone. Which takes a bit of time sometimes, but usually it's not too bad. For some reason it's... oh, there we go. That was a bit slow. But as you can see, I've been testing. So normally I don't know what will happen here. Probably just a small hiccup. We can try again. Normally it's quite fast. When in a couple of seconds you'll have the notification. There you go. So that's perfectly doable. You won't let anyone wait for too long. As you can see, the little board that receives the radio signal, it's quite small. The wiring is deadly simple. I mean, I power off the little board now from the Arduino, and I use pin 9 to read the high or the low from the little board, and I use a Ruby script to communicate with pushover. That's it. And curious. We'll see if it in practice it will work. And at least now I know when someone is standing in front of my door, even when I'm not home. Wonderful.